DAV Model Public School, Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to revise how to write a diary. Okay, so let's begin. Diary Diary writing means to keeping a record what happens in your life on daily basis also, and if you like to write a diary on some unforgettable memories, so you can write down diaries. So what is the purpose of diary? What is the format of diary, and one example, so that your everything will be clear through this class. What is a diary entry? It is a one section of writing organized by date and handed to 150 words. Creative and thoughtful. Actually, you should not write diary in a formal language. You should be very much informal. Then only you can write a very good diary. So first of all, you have to write down day, date, day and timing. Okay? Actually, there is not a particular format for writing a diary. Simply you can write down date and day and timing. That is enough. Okay? Then salutation. So whenever you write a diary, that time you should imagine and you should give any imaginary name to your diary. For example, hello diary, how are you? How is your life going on? Today I am very much sad. Today I am very much happy. So in this way, that you must consider that someone is sitting before you and you are telling to that person. So in the same way, you have to write down a diary. So heading is also optional, that is not compulsory. And you can write diary in all the tense, just like simple past tense, present perfect and future tense also. So no problem. And diary should be creative and thoughtful. So whenever you will read your diary in future, you will surely find a reason to smile. So at last, on the left side of this, you have to write down signature. So let's see one example. You are Meena Sharma. You recently had a chance to encounter an old school friend in the marketplace. Record your feelings about it in a diary. Okay, so student, here is a given one example, but it doesn't mean that you have to follow the same. You can write down diary in your own way also. So just to see one example. Today was a day of full of surprises. I met my old friend Anita. After many years, I chanced upon her at the Star Bazaar, where I had gone to pick up groceries for the next week. As I paid my bill, I saw a familiar looking face staring at me with curiosity. Suddenly, I dawned simultaneously on both of us that each of us was staring at a long lost dear friend. Our joy knew no bounds as we rushed towards each other. A wave of nostalgia swept over us as we recalled our bygone days. Over a cup of coffee, how beautiful were those school days, full of fun, laughter, and mischief. Time stood still as we walked down the memory lane hand in hand. We parted after promising to remain in touch with each other. I will never forget the surprise meet up in my whole life. Okay, student. So in the same way, you can write down, but you must write it in your own words. That will be very effective. Suppose if you meet your friend after many years, so how do you feel? That you have to write down in your own words. Okay, students, so keep the format in your mind. So try to follow the same format, and no need to give heading. It's optional. If you want, you can give, otherwise no need. So one homework for you. You are Alpesh Desai. Yesterday you were alone at home when burglars broke into your house. With great presence of mind, you foiled their bait to rob your house. Record your experience in your diary. Okay, students, try to write down this answer properly in a correct format. In the given correct format, we will continue our class in next lesson. So I hope that you got all the points clear. Thank you. Have a happy day.